Here we have an inequality. Let us solve this and see if we can find any integers which will satisfy this inequality. What do you notice? Both the denominators are positive. 2 is positive. X square, the square of any number, is always positive. So 1 plus x square, sum of two positive numbers, again positive. So in good faith you can cross multiply, because what happens is when you multiply or divide with a negative number, what happens is that the inequality flips. It turns the other way. So here we don't have to worry about it. We can cross multiply, and then what we will do is take all the non-zero terms to one side. So then we get such an equation, and then we will factorize it. What are we looking for? We are looking for two numbers which when multiplied give you -3 and which added give you -2. So what are the two numbers we are looking for? This. And let us write it in the x minus a, x minus b form. Why are we doing that? Now, why have we done all of this? We have got it to this form so that we can apply the standard result, the product of two linear factors. If you want them to be less than 0, then where can you find your x? What is your solution set? Your solution set is the interval a, b, where a is the lesser number and b is the greater number. But then the same thing, the other case, if you want the product to be not lesser, if you want the product to be greater than 0, then what will be your solution set? Where all can your x lie? From the set of real numbers, just remove the first answer. Just remove this one. Then you will get the solution for the second case. What is the solution set? It will be -infinity to a. It can lie anywhere here, or it can lie anywhere here. From -infinity to a, or from b to infinity. It can lie in any of these areas. So these are our two standard results. Which one are we looking for? We are looking for our product to be less than 0, or in other words, our solution set, where will it lie? It will lie between -1 and 3. One very important thing you have to notice, it is the open bracket. This bracket is the open bracket, which means what? -1 is not included. 3 is not included. If instead of less than 0, if we are looking at less than or equal to 0, if that is the case, then you can include both of them. Then you can put the closed intervals. If that is not happening, if you have a strict inequality, what you have here is a strict inequality. So then your interval will be an open interval. -1 and 3 are not going to be included. Now, why is it important? Why is it important to know whether it is a closed interval or an open interval? Because we are looking for integral solutions. We want the integers where -1 and 3 are not included. How many integers lies between them? You have 0, you have 1, and you have 2. These are the integral solutions. These three numbers, these three integers satisfy this inequality. But then you cannot include -1, you cannot include 3. You can check for yourself. Randomly put 0 here. What happens? The whole thing becomes 2. And you can see that 2 is greater than half. And just put -1 and see what happens. Put -1 here. Then what do you get in the numerator? In the numerator you get 1. And here what do you get? You get 1/2. 1/2 cannot be strictly greater than 1/2, right? The same here with 3. Try putting 3. What do you get? If you put 3, the numerator becomes 5. And what about the denominator? It becomes 10. Again, it becomes half, which is not possible because we are looking for a strict inequality. So there are three integral solutions, 0, 1 and 2. That is the answer that we were looking for. That is all for today. Assalamu alaikum.